First one, show that the following matrices are unitary. So first one, A equals matrix A equals 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3, 2i by 3 minus 2i by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3. Solution. So unitary prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ here a into a star equals a star into a equals I ಅಂತ. here equals I ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು equals I ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. that is unitary matrix. So first take given matrix. So A equals what they here 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3, 2i by 3 minus 2i by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3. So here you have to write conjugate of the matrix is A bar. So A bar equals, here I is replaced to minus I, so what do you get? 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3 and here minus 2i by 3, 2i by 3 minus 1 by 3, I is replaced to minus I ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ plus ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2i by 3. Now conjugate transpose of the matrix is what you get here, A star. So A star equals, so transpose ಅಂದರೆ ರೋನ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3 and here minus 2i by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here what you get, 2i by 3 and here you will get minus 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3. Okay, now you have to multiply these two, A into A star. So matrix na multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ identity matrix ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now here A into A star. So what is A matrix? A matrix is 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3 and here 2i by 3 minus 2i by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3 and here A star matrix is 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3, 2i by 3 and here minus 2i by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3. So matrix multiplication. So matrix multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, here ಇದು, so 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3, okay, into this one. So what do you get, 1 by 3 minus plus 2i by 3 plus ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು, so 2i by 3 into minus 2i by 3. So what do you get here, it is a square minus b, here a minus b into a plus b, so a square minus b square. So plus into you get minus 4 I square divided by 9 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9. So ಇದು 1 by 9. So I square ಅಂದರೆ -1. So plus 4 by 9. So plus 4 by 9 I square ಅಂದರೆ -1. So we'll get 9 LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we'll get 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now 1. Now if I take here this into this row, so what do you get? 1 by 3 minus 2i by 3 into this one. So what do you get? 2i by 3 plus here what do you get? 2i by 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 2i by 3. So multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so you get 2i by 9 minus 4i square by 9 here plus into minus 2i by 9 plus into here plus you will get plus here 4i square by 9 here plus and minus get cancelled, so this to get cancelled, so we will get 0. So 0 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 0. ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 1. So you will get an identity matrix. Okay, so that is I. So therefore A into A star equals I. Hence A is an unitary. Hence A is unitary matrix. Okay, so I take next problem B here. So what do you get here? B equals 1 by 2 times of here 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus I, and here I 1 1 plus I 1 plus I minus 1 plus I 0. Yes, 0. Now given matrix, so what is the given here? B is equal to 1 by 2 times of here 1 minus 1 plus I, and here I 1 1 plus I 1 plus I minus 1 plus I 0. So here you have to take conjugate for that one matrix. So conjugate of the matrix is what you get here? B bar. So B bar equals what you get here? I is replaced to minus I ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. So what you get? So here 1 by 2 ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So what do you get here? 1 plus I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus 1 minus I ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So minus I 1 minus I. So 1 minus I minus 1 minus I, it is 0. So we have to take transpose for this one. So conjugate transpose of the matrix is B star. So B star equals what do you get here? Column row into row column interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what do you get? 1 I minus 1 minus I, here minus I 1 1 minus I. So 1 minus I minus 1 minus I 0. So now I will consider B into B star. So what do you get here? B matrix is, you'll get B matrix. So what do you get? B matrix 1 by 2 times. So here also 1 by 2 will get, okay. So 1 minus I, 1 minus 1 plus I 1, 1 plus I, 1 plus I minus 1 plus I 0, and here B star. So 1 by 2 times of what you get here, 1 minus I, 1 minus I 1 minus 1 minus I minus 1 minus I 1 minus I 0. So you'll get 1 by 4 into. So what do you get here? Matrix multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So here row into column. So what do you get here? 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1. So here what do you get? Plus minus I into I, and here plus minus 1 plus I into what do you get here? Minus 1 minus I. So 1 here, plus into minus minus, what do you get? I square you'll get, plus here minus into minus plus you'll get 1, and here minus I, and here minus I, and here minus I square. So what do you get here? 1 plus 1, 2 will get 2 minus I square means it is minus 1. So what do you get here? Plus 2 will get, I square means you will get plus 1, and here I into I minus 2 I will get, and here minus I square. So 1 so here here minus plus 1, and here plus I will get, okay. So these two will get cancelled. So what do you get? 1 plus here I square means minus 1 will get plus 1, and here plus 1 I square means minus 1, so we'll get plus 1, so we'll get 4. So we'll get 4, and here if you cross multiplication you get 0 0, and here again this term becomes 0, same thing, and here this becomes 4, and here this term 0 0 0 4 you get next year, okay. So now if you divide with 1 by 4, so we'll get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we'll get an identity matrix. Hence B is unitary. B is unitary. So matrix multiplication ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, okay. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. So next here problem. So here given that A equals here 0 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus 2i 0, show that I minus a into I plus a inverse is a unitary matrix. So given, so what is the given here? So A equals 0, 1 plus 2i minus 1 plus 2i 0, and I have to take identity matrix. So matrix A then 2 cross 2. So identity matrix also I have to take 2 cross 2 matrix. So what do you get? I minus A. I minus A means what do you get? The matrix. So 1, and here you get here minus of minus 1 minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, so here 0 plus 1 minus 2i ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so here 0 minus of minus 1, so here 1 minus 2i, and here you will get 1. Okay, now what do you get here? I plus A. So I plus A matrix means what do you get here? So it is add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 2i, and here minus 1 minus minus 1 plus 2i will get, and here you will get plus 1. Okay, so now here you have to take inverse for that one. So I plus A whole to the power of minus 1. So what do you get here? Now here A inverse ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Here adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So determinant of A will get 1 by, here ಇದನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so what do you get? Determinant A, it is 1 by 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So determinant of A is 1 by 6. So what do you get? 1 by 6 times of, just minus ಅನ್ನು interchange ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1 here 1 you will get same thing. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, minus 1 minus 2i ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 2i ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is your matrix. Now here I minus A into I plus A inverse. So what do you get here? Matrix here I minus A andre 1 minus 1 minus 2i, 1 minus 2i 1 into, so what do you get here? 1 by 6 times of 1 minus 1 minus 2i, and here 1 minus 2i 1. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So if you cross multiply, so we get here 1 by 6 times of, here minus 4 minus 2 minus 4i, 2 minus 4i minus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I call it as this one as B. Okay, so ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಯೂನಿಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂನಿಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ B ಇಂಟು B ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ I ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ B ಇಂಟು B ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ B ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ B ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಹಿಯರ್ 1 by 6 into, what do you get here? Minus 4 minus 2 minus 4i, and here 2 minus 4i minus 4. So B matrix ಕೂಡ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ರೋ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಿಯರ್ minus 4, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 2, I is replaced to minus I, so this becomes 4i, and here 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4i ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ -4. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 0 0 1 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ this is your identity matrix. Therefore what is I minus a into I plus a whole to the power of -1 is unitary matrix. Okay. Now next problem. So prove that a equals, what do you get here, 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, and here 1 by 2 into -1 plus I, and here 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, and here 1 by 2 into 1 minus I is unitary, and find A inverse. Okay. So now what do you get here, given matrix. So here given A equals, so what is A here, A matrix, A matrix is 1 by 2, here 1 plus I, and here 1 by 2 minus 1 plus I, here 1 by 2 1 plus I, 1 by 2 1 minus I. So you have to take conjugate transpose. So conjugate transpose of the matrix is here, what you get, A star. A star na direct ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಹಿಯರ್ ರೋನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು -i ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 1 by 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus I, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. 1 by 2 -1 minus I is replaced to -i ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 1 by 2 1 minus I, and here 1 by 2 into 1 plus I. So this is your A star. Now you have to take A into A star. So what is A matrix? A matrix is 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, 1 by 2 times of -1 plus I, 1 by 2 into 1 plus I, here 1 by 2 into 1 minus I. So A star matrix is 1 by 2 into 1 minus I. So 1 by 2 into 1 minus I, and here 1 by 2 into -1 minus I, and 1 by 2 into 1 plus I. So cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so you'll get an here 1 by 2 1 by 2. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by 4. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 0 0 4. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ an identity matrix. So you'll get an identity matrix. So ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, it is an I, so therefore it is an unit. Hence A is unitary matrix. Unitary ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಯೂನಿಟರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಐ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ದು ಏನು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 1/2 into 1 minus I, 1/2, 1 minus I, 1/2 minus 1 minus I, 1/2, 1 plus I. So this is your A inverse. So next problem. Here verify which of the following matrices are normal. So here A, first one here, what I get 3 plus 4i 1, and here I 2 plus 3i, and here second one it is 1 0 1 minus I. So ಇದನ್ನು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ matrix. So here given A equals, so what is A matrix? 3 plus 4i 1 I 2 plus 3i. Now you have to find out A star. So conjugate transpose matrix A is given by A star. So A star equals, so ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಿಯರ್ ರೋನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಐ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ 3 minus 4i, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1. ಸೊ ಈ ಐ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಐ ಇಸ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಐ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 minus 3i, 2 minus 3i. So what do you get here? A into A star. So A into A star equals, so what do you get here? 3 plus 4i 1 I 2 plus 3i, and here A star 3 minus 4i minus I 1 2 minus 3i. So here if you multiply, what do you get here? Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ here what do you get? 3 plus 4i into what do you get here? 3 minus 4i 1 into plus 1. So a plus b into a minus b. So 3 square minus 4i whole square plus 1. So what do you get? 9. Here plus 16 agate plus 1. So we will get 26. So here the matrix, what do you get here? 26. And here idu matte idu multiply madidre 3 plus 4i into minus I plus 1 into what do you get here? 2 minus 3i. So 3 plus 3i 3i minus 4i square plus 2 minus 3i. So here what do you get here? This becomes 6. Here this becomes minus 4i square minus 3i square. This is, so this becomes minus 6i So this becomes plus 4 plus 2. So here 6 minus 6i. So 6 minus 6i. So ಇದೇ ಥರ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 6i ಇಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು here a star into a ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರೆಸಬೇಕು. So here a star into a equals, so what do you get here? A star andre here 3 minus 4i, 3 minus 4i, here minus I, and here minus I, 2 plus 3i. So here 2 minus 3i, this is okay. So 3 minus 4i, so plus I, and here you get 1, so it is minus I, so this is 1, okay. My I 2 plus 3i. So if you cross multiplied, so you will get 26, 6 minus 6i, 6 plus 6i, and here 14. So therefore a star into a equals a star into a. Therefore it is a normal matrix. B1 verify ಮಾಡಿ. You have to do that one. So it is not normal matrix. So verify ಮಾಡಿ B1 second one. Okay. So what is that matrix? It is 1 0 1 minus I. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.